Hello guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to show you how to quickly find KDP categories online. If you are a publisher or writer and you publish your books on KDP Kindle Direct Publishing, then you might be looking for a quickest way to find relevant categories for your books. For that purpose I have created this video. Just move towards our KDP browser. This is actually KDP category browser. You can see the link here, www.kindleranker.com/articles/KDP-category-browser. You can get to this site just typing KDP category browser into Google and then clicking this link, very first link. This will bring you to this site, this page. It is KDP category browser. It will help you to quickly find the KDP categories matching the Kindle and Amazon book categories. All you have to do is type here books, greater than, then type your keyword. For example, I am going to type cats, then hit enter. You can see it has shown me numerous categories like non-fiction, pets, cats, general. This is the top matching categories. This category browser also shows the match percentage. First category, 70.71% matches your book or main keyword. Let's type something else. Health. Oh, sorry, this is health. You can see for health keyword we have various categories like non-fiction, health and fitness, general, non-fiction, health and fitness, disease is general, or you can type something else like anxiety, this don't show, stress, yeah, you can see non-fiction, self-help, self-management, stress management. This is how you can easily find categories or Kindle categories for your book to publish on KDP, and this actually saves your time and gives you really relevant categories or browse paths for your books to publish on Kindle Direct Publishing. I hope you will love this video. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing, because I continue to bring such tips and tricks relevant to book publishing, internet and blogging, and many things and many more tech related topics. So thanks for watching again.